The universe is filled with mysteries that remain unexplained to this day. Scientists do their best to find answers during the investigations, but at what cost? Should we just accept that these strange events or frightening phenomena can never be explained? Ready to have your mind blown as we explore the top 5 unexplainable mysteries that science cannot answer? From mysterious disappearances to mind-boggling events, these mysteries will have you wondering everything you thought you understood about our world. Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle has always fascinated and terrified people, with many ships and planes sadly missing within its confines. The Bermuda Triangle mystery remains unresolved after years of scientific research, making it one of the greatest inexplicable mysteries that science cannot explain. While various ideas, including magnetic anomalies and human error, have been presented, none have properly accounted for the overwhelming number of disappearances in this legendary action. Moreover, some of the disappearances have been so puzzling that they have produced a slew of stories and conspiracy theories that have fueled the public's imagination for decades. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the biggest unsolved mysteries of the modern age, forcing us to wonder what lies beyond its dark depths and enigmatic limits. The Ghost Ship. The Mary Celeste, a British-American ship, was discovered empty and floating in the Atlantic on December 4, 1872. It was discovered to be seaworthy and to have all of its cargo intact, with the exception of a lifeboat, which looked to have been boarded in an orderly way. But why is this so? We may never know because no one on board was ever found. The Mary Celeste set sail from New York in November 1872, heading for Genoa, Italy. Captain Benjamin Briggs and 7 crew members were on board, including Briggs' wife and their 2-year-old daughter. The supplies on board were plentiful and luxurious, including a sewing machine and an upright piano. Commentators usually agree that an uncommon and worrisome condition must have occurred to prompt the abandoning of a seaworthy ship. Yet, the most recent entry in the ship's daily log indicates nothing unexpected, and everything looked to be in order on board. The disappearances of the Flannan Isles Lighthouse. The waykeepers of the Flannan Islands Lighthouse off the west coast of Scotland vanished under mysterious circumstances in 1900. A 3-person crew, Thomas Marshall, James Duker, and Donald MacArthur, operated the lighthouse, with a 4th man rotating in from shore. The relieving keeper came on Boxing Day, December 26, 1900, to find none of the lighthouse keeper present. An upturned chair near the kitchen table was the sole indication that something was wrong. No bodies were ever discovered, leading to unending conjecture. Rumors vary from drownings to foreign espionage abducting children, a ghost ship, or a big sea monster. We may never know what happened at the Flannan Islands Lighthouse in December 1900. The Haen Lights. For nearly 80 years, the Haen Lights have been a source of mystery and interest. Since the 1930s, these mysterious lights, which seem like brilliant, glowing spheres, have sighted in Norway's Hesdalen Valley. Scientists have been unable to pinpoint the source of the lights, which appear to move in an intelligent and controlled manner after the significant examination. Some hypotheses contend that the lights are the product of natural occurrences, such as electrical discharge or air ionization, while others contend that they are the result of an alien activity or sophisticated human technology. Whatever the answer, the Hesdalen Lights continue to enthrall and perplex us. Sailing Stones of Death Valley. Racecore players' enigmatic sailing stories are large pebbles that mysteriously travels over the dry lake bed, leaving traces in the broken mud behind them. The lake's top is generally dry, but when it's filled with water, the muddy bottom allows the heavy stones to easily slide over it. During the winter months, when temperatures are low and ice builds on the lake's surface, a combination of wind and ice sheets is thought to drive the rocks over the muddy bottom. The playa is located in California's dry Death Valley area and was formerly part of Lake Manly, an old dried-up lake. While scientists have yet to find a reason for the movement, They suspect powerful winds paired with thin sheets of ice drive them along the surface, leaving trails as proof. Although no one understands exactly how these massive stones span such as a large space without human intervention or touch, others think this occurrence has occurred for generations at a racecourse playa in Death Valley National Park.